No!
This rich street neighborhood was built for a long time, but it was destroyed for one night. What really happened? So before furthermore, we need to understand these houses are nearby Lake Tanganyika. And as you know, Lake Tanganyika is shared by 4 countries: Tanzania, Burundi, Congo, and Zambia. But this side is in Burundi. As you can see yourself, the street is empty. People already moved away. So all this happened due to floods of Lake Tanganyika. It was just one day. People woke up in the morning finding water in their houses. And these kids over here, they have no other option than coming here to get their fish for their meal. So would you imagine the loss of these people? The loss was not just houses, even cars, properties in the compound. So it was so sad. So some people may ask themselves, why these people came to build their houses nearby the Lake Tanganyika? But the truth is that they built away, far away from the Lake Tanganyika. So that means no one expected the lake would rise like that.
So guys, I really appreciate for watching my video. I would like you guys to subscribe, share this video, just to make the growth of this channel. So I will just talk to people who live in East Africa. I mean Rwanda, Tanzania, Kenya, Burundi, and DRC Congo. I really appreciate for your support, guys. I really get encouragement from these countries to proceed doing these videos. There are so many people who are abroad, really want to see these things from this side of Africa. So guys, this channel is about traveling, showing the reality of places, foods, different cultures. So that's all about this channel. I need your contribution by comments, subscribing, sharing the channel for the growth of this channel. So I will just end the video right now, but we really need to pray for these people who lost their homes in this way. So guys, I really need to hear your comments about this video that I make. I need to know what I'm supposed to do and what I don't supposed to do to make the video to be better than this. Or if it is perfect, you can just say it is perfect. If it is not perfect, and tell me what to correct. I really appreciate for everything. God bless you. Bye.